Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling needlepoint products on Amazon. Get ready to explore top-notch tools and kits that have won the hearts of countless needlework enthusiasts. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Coming in at number 5, we have the Hidamari Sashiko needles by Leishin Japan. Intricately crafted with precision and expertise, these needles are the epitome of elegance and functionality for your needlepoint needs. Imagine a tool so meticulously designed that it transforms every stitch into a masterpiece. The Hidamari Sashiko needles set includes 6 needles in 4 different lengths, catering to a variety of stitching requirements. Whether you are working on fine, delicate fabrics or robust, thick materials, there's a needle perfectly suited for the task at hand. The varying lengths provide versatility and flexibility, ensuring that every project is handled with the utmost care and precision. But that's not all. Each needle boasts a larger eye, simplifying the threading process and saving you precious time and effort. No more squinting or fumbling with tiny openings, just smooth, effortless threading, allowing you to focus on the artistry of your work. This design enhancement makes these needles a favorite among both beginners and seasoned needlepoint enthusiasts. So, if you're in the market for top-notch needlepoint tools that combine traditional craftsmanship with modern convenience, look no further than the Hidamari Sashiko needles by Leishin Japan. Your needlework deserves nothing but the best, and these needles deliver on every front. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown of the best-selling needlepoint products on Amazon. At number 4, we have the 5/80/40 PCS Large Eye Blunt Needles. This set is a game changer for all your needlepoint, knitting, and crochet projects. Imagine effortlessly weaving through fabric with needles that glide smoothly, thanks to their high-quality stainless steel construction. These needles aren't just sharp, they're exceptionally durable, corrosion-resistant, and practically unbendable. You receive a generous assortment of 40 large-eye blunt needles, available in 8 different sizes. From the petite 1.57-inch to the substantial 2.75-inch, each size serves a unique purpose. This variety ensures that you always have the perfect needle for any project. And threading? It's a breeze, courtesy of the included needle threader. These needles effortlessly transition through even the toughest of fabrics, making your crafting process smoother and more enjoyable. 5/0 goes a step further with their packaging. These needles come in a sturdy iron box, not just any flimsy plastic tube. This ensures your needles are always safe, organized, and easily accessible. No more mess, no more broken containers. Just a neat, reliable storage solution that travels well and stands the test of time. Versatility is key with the 5/0 needles. Whether you're weaving ends, sewing seams, threading embroidery, or diving into any needlework project, these needles are your go-to tools. They're perfect for crocheting, sewing, knitting, and countless DIY crafts. Their exceptional design and functionality make them indispensable for both beginners and experienced crafters alike. Moreover, when you choose 5/0, you're not just purchasing a product, you're gaining access to a dedicated customer service team. They stand by their quality with confidence, ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. This commitment to customer satisfaction is just another reason why 5/0 needles are a top choice on Amazon. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 3 best-selling needlepoint products, each one a step closer to needlecraft perfection. At number 3, we present the Caydo 4-pieces 7-count plastic mesh canvas sheets. This versatile crafting essential is a game-changer for embroidery, acrylic yarn projects, and so much more. Imagine having a canvas that adapts to your every creative whim, effortlessly transforming into the perfect base for a myriad of projects. Each package contains 4 pieces of 7-count plastic mesh canvas, each measuring a generous 10.5 by 13.5 inches. With 7 holes per inch, these sheets provide an ideal grid for precise, detailed work. Whether you're creating intricate embroidery patterns or sturdy aquarium dividers, these mesh sheets offer unparalleled flexibility. Cutting and trimming them to your desired size and shape is a breeze, thanks to their smooth, snag-free openings that won't catch your yarn or thread. This means more efficient crafting and fewer interruptions in your creative flow. But the functionality of the Caydo mesh canvas sheets doesn't stop there. These sheets are not only perfect for hand DIY projects, but also serve practical purposes around the home. Need a reliable material for aquarium dividers that allows water to pass while keeping fish and plants securely in place? Look no further. Want to craft homemade sieves for gardening tasks? These sturdy, reliable mesh sheets have you covered. Made from durable plastic, these mesh canvas sheets are designed to withstand the test of time. They won't rust or break, ensuring that your projects remain intact and beautiful for years to come. Their robustness makes them suitable for a wide range of uses, from creating miniature house windows and lattices to crafting hair catchers for sewers. The creative possibilities are endless with Caydo's mesh canvas sheets. Think bookmarks, cup mats, tissue boxes, and various decorative or craft projects. These sheets are your blank canvas, ready to bring your imaginative ideas to life. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown of the best-selling needlepoint products on Amazon, inching closer to the top spot. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling needlepoint products on Amazon? Well, don't be a needle in a haystack. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the sharpest crafting tips. Ranking second in our countdown of the best-selling needlepoint products on Amazon is the Phinus 7 Pieces 7-Count Plastic Canvas. A versatile powerhouse for crafters, this product is designed to elevate your DIY projects to new heights. Imagine a material that is not only strong and durable, but also flexible and lightweight, making it a go-to choice for craft enthusiasts. Each sheet measures a substantial 10.5 by 13.5 inches, providing ample space for a variety of creative endeavors. With 7 holes per inch, this plastic canvas accommodates numerous crafting techniques, ensuring precision and detail in every stitch. Cutting these sheets to your desired size and shape is effortless, thanks to their smooth openings that prevent yarn and thread from snagging. This means you can maintain your crafting momentum without annoying interruptions. The Phinus plastic canvas sheets are not just for needlepoint. Their multifunctional design makes them perfect for an array of DIY projects. Whether you're knitting, sewing, or embroidering, these sheets can help you create adorable coasters, chic placemats, practical pencil holders, stylish tissue box covers, handy bags, charming bookmarks, and so much more. Both beginners and experienced crafters will find endless possibilities with this versatile material. But the utility of the Phinus plastic canvas extends beyond typical crafting. Need a reliable aquarium divider? These sheets are perfect for that. How about a bottom sieve for your garden flowers? They've got you covered. Their flexibility and durability make them ideal for various home decor and craft projects, including holiday decorations and needle felting for novice knitters. Incorporating these sheets into your projects not only enhances their quality, but also simplifies your crafting process. The Phinus plastic canvas is designed to withstand wear and tear, ensuring that your creations remain beautiful and intact over time. Waterproof and resilient, this material is built to last, providing you with a reliable foundation for all your creative ideas. Stay tuned as we reveal the #1 best-selling needlepoint product on Amazon. The final reveal is sure to inspire and excite every crafter out there. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the #1 best-selling needlepoint product on Amazon. Topping our list is the Boye plastic yarn sewing needle set. This set, featuring 2 durable blue needles, is a must-have for any serious crafter. Each needle measures a robust 3 inches in length, offering a thicker build than your typical sewing needles. This added thickness provides enhanced grip and control, making these needles exceptionally easy to use, whether you're at home or on the go. These aren't just any needles. They are specifically designed for yarn work, perfect for tackling plastic canvas and other intricate sewing projects with ease and precision. The Boye plastic yarn sewing needles shine brightest when it comes to weaving in ends on knitting and crochet projects. Their smooth, sturdy design ensures they glide effortlessly through yarn, making quick work of even the toughest tasks. Imagine the satisfaction of seamlessly finishing your project without the hassle of fraying or splitting yarn. These needles aren't just tools, they're reliable companions in your crafting journey. Their durability means they can withstand the rigors of frequent use, promising long-term reliability. Whether you're a beginner just starting your crafting adventures or an experienced artisan with countless projects under your belt, the Boye plastic yarn sewing needle set is an invaluable addition to your toolkit. Crafting is more than just a hobby, it's a passion, a way to express creativity and skill. The Boye plastic yarn sewing needle set embodies this spirit, offering a blend of functionality and ease that transforms the crafting experience. Lightweight, portable, and incredibly practical, these needles are designed to meet the high standards of today's crafters. As we wrap up our countdown, remember that great tools can make all the difference. The Boye plastic yarn sewing needle set proves that even the simplest tools, when made with care and precision, can elevate your crafting to new levels. So why wait? Enhance your needlepoint, knitting, and crochet projects with the best of the best, the Boye plastic yarn sewing needle set. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 best-selling needlepoint products on Amazon. Each item we've highlighted offers unique benefits and unmatched quality, ensuring your crafting endeavors are always a success. Happy crafting! We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling needlepoint products on Amazon. Stay up to date with all the top sellers by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.